Hi, my name is Debbie Ducic with GutZy Women, and I am going to talk about an article I wrote. This is the third part of how do you leverage current web technologies to enhance your marketing. This one is all about what kind of things can go wrong, how can it become your foe. One of the things that happens with internet marketers especially is that we spend so much time on the computer and we love it that we don't get out into real life, and you can end up not talking to real people. And when you do that, people really want to know who you are as a person. They want to see you in person, or they want to see you on video. And that's one of the beautiful things about that, is they can see your face, they get to know you. But when you sit in your house all day long because you're working on your strategies for your online business, and you don't go out and you don't meet people and you don't call them up on the phone, and you aren't, being a real person, then that can really hurt your business. So you need to get out there, and women are really good at networking. One of the things that GutZy Women does is we have regular networking sessions, and we love it. We love getting together and supporting each other. And so don't be one of those people that takes it so seriously you don't get out and become a real person. The other thing that can happen is that you spend too much you get so involved and you're so ready to get it going and willing to do whatever it takes that you end up spending a lot of money. And we've all heard horror stories about those people who have gone out there and paid thousands and thousands over their budget for pay-per-click because they really didn't understand what they were doing or whatever. So you need to be careful. You need to stay in a budget because it has to make sense. At the end of the day, you have to make money. And there are expenses involved with internet technology as well. The third thing that you can do is you can spend all of your time answering email, following up with customer service. So you have a choice. You can do your FAQs on your website. So you're going to find out that people are going to have a lot of the same questions. So if you do put an FAQ on your site, that really helps with that. But the other thing is a lot of people that I know, they spend all day looking at their email and they end up not getting anything done, or they follow up with problems one right after another. And if that's the case, you really need to go out there and get somebody to do your customer service for you. So all in all, there are a lot more things that can enhance your business, but you just have to be smart about it, and you just have to know what you're capable of. You have to think about, who am I as a person and what am I willing to do? And you have to think about your customers. Who are they and what are they willing to do? Because if they are still on email and they're not doing anything else, they're not getting on the web and they have a very slow connection and they can't watch video, if those were all my clients out there, I would be talking to nobody. So you really have to think about that. And those are the kind of strategies that we'll talk to you about with GutZy Women, and we're going to have a lot of other good resources for you that you can talk to, and I just want you to join us. See you next time. My name's Debbie Ducic, and that's spelled D-U-C-I-C.